my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video because I tried hard to like make this video and make sure it was really good, and I'm going to be like uploading this video and everything like that. And for this video we are going to be creating outfits that will be non-VIP ones and VIP ones. So you can pick which one outfit you want. There will be two different types, one a VIP one and a non-VIP one, as I already said. But anyways, yeah, let's just get into this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below if you want more of these. And also, I am going to be doing a mail time on YouTube, and best gifter will get a rare or maybe two, and also they will get a shout out. And if you want a shout out for the next video, then just comment down below. For this video, shout out goes to XX Lovely Lucy 555XXX. It'll be, yeah. First, we're going to be starting with the hair, because the hair is actually the most important thing in your outfit. I decided to do this hair because I think it looks really cute. We are not going to be getting dresses, we are going to be getting tops. And this one's non-VIP, so you can buy it if you're like non-VIP, or you can buy it if you're VIP. It doesn't really matter. Now bottoms. This shall do it, and just make it a bit like this. It looks already perfect. Now we just have to do the accessories and shoes. Sorry if there is some noises at the background, but just don't mind that. The shoes are really ugly. I'm trying to get a perfect shoe for the outfit because I don't want you to get ugly stuff. This shall do it because I think it's really pretty. Not really, but like, okay. Actually, no, I don't like it. And yeah. No, this is too big. There's quite a lot of ugly ones. Okay, this shall do it, I guess. No. I'm just gonna put it in black. Okay, so this is the non-VIP outfit, and it costs, let's see how much money it costs. It costs 175 something. Oh my god, I don't know how to count anymore. Basically 175. Sorry about that, I do not know how to say it. My maths is not really good. I am not good at math. But okay, this is the non-VIP outfit. Hope you like the non-VIP outfit. Now let's just get onto the VIP outfit. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the non-VIP one. Okay, now it's the VIP time. I actually really like the VIP stuff more than the non-VIP stuff. I wish I was a VIP, but sadly, my VIP finished ages ago. I wish it never did finish. So for the VIP hair, as this is a VIP, we can't buy things. And if I have time, I will be doing a diamond look. Okay, so this, you can actually put it in any color, but I think it's going to be blue because blue is actually my favorite color, and it is really, really pretty. This top shall do it, and it's really, really pretty. And I think I'm going to be doing it basically like the whole outfit blue, maybe. Because if the hair is blue and the thing is blue, maybe the shoes and trousers can be thing. I'll be back. Okay, I decided what color blue I want, and I decided this blue is like the hair. Now let's get to a better blues. Okay, I think I'm going to be getting this. Oh wait. Oh, it's supposed to be only VIP. Oh, I forgot. Perfect. Now just make it in blue. Okay, yeah. Now the shoes. Okay, this shall do it. Let's just make it in blue. Wow, I think I have done a good job on this outfit. I am really proud of myself, and I think it looks really, really adorable. Comment down below if you think as well, because I think it's awesome. But as I have still time, I'm going to be doing a diamond. Oh, also, comment down below which outfit you like the most, the non-VIP one, the VIP one, or the diamond look. Okay, let's get to the diamond one. Yay! So this look is going to be pretty simple, not like the others, and it will be blue as well. And the cap will be white because, yeah. And I think I'm going to be doing a good job for this outfit as well. We shall see how it will turn out. Okay, there's not much of diamond stuff here. Where are they? Wow. I cannot find it. I'll be back when I find a diamond item. Okay, I guess I'll have to view of this. It might be ugly. I agree with you, but like, some people do like it, so. And these shoes. Oh, I forgot. Oh, it's supposed to be diamond. Okay, these shoes. So yeah, this is the diamond outfit. The diamond outfit is not really like really nice and everything. So, but you can comment down below which one you like the most. The diamond item, the diamond clothes, the VIP clothes, or the non-VIP clothes. And that was the end for the video. Sorry if it was like kind of short, but hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you want to get a shout out again, you just have to send me some gifts, and I will be doing a mail time really soon. I just need to get some more gifts. I already have like one gift, I think, or something like that. But yeah, thank you so much if you subscribe and comment and gift me. Have an amazing day. Adios.